Hello everyone, this is Owee. Well, today we continue with Tervat Project. So, if you remember, we make some design, mm, but we continue in this design. But for now, remember, we have one user. This user is one user. Maybe the customer or one client. Oh well, the company or the customer, whatever, because one user can create the company, have the product or have the service. This company have the social media, yes, and sometimes this user have is no is a company, is a customer. The customer have the address about the shipping. This customer check or see the product and add to the cart for buy. That's it. Uh, yes, another thing too is the system or the Tervat system is make the site. Uh, yes, make the site and language. If you remember, we talk about the some language. Is Somi or Finnish, English, French, Farsi, and one language more. I'm not sure what language, but yeah. For the moment, I will make in Somi or Finnish and English. In the next, is coming to Farsi or French. Okay, here is the language when we need to update the file. But other is the slide. This slide is the main site where maybe is one ads for some company. We need to. I think in the future I will create some table about how the control. For the moment, is with some ads for the turbot. Oh, another things I think about the company have the one discount about some products, maybe I'm not sure, or discounts about this one service, whatever. But this discount is not work online. It's not work online. This discount is alone work in the company. Okay, is enter to the company is in, I'm not sure, is a shopping, is a one cafe, is maybe car shopping, whatever, is the one name need to enter. I think in this discount is inside, I'm not sure, I need to uh, I think is when people make not all the people have this discount, is along one people by day, one discount is one lucky people, but I'm not sure how this work. I will create this here a table. I say this discount is well, I'm not sure. Is game. I will put game. I'm not sure what is. I will try. I will try. Is date. Date game. Mm, we need to think about status. Status. Oh, great. Here is we I think the that type is int. uh, well, for the moment that's it. And this game is I think that is coming from here. Okay, the people, want any people that you register in the system need to enter to the site, click in this site in in the company, no outside. In the company have one code. This I'm not sure. I think I continue to think about that how to work, but for the moment I will click here and yes. When people have many games about this discount, about this. I don't. That is one idea, but I think in the process is more better to work. Uh, okay, let's go to another surprise. Look that. I will. Okay, this is Tervat. If you see, is one search. We have the menu. The menu is the home. In the home is where you can see all the products. That's work. Um, and if you want to see product, just click here. Uh, I will I will think about another products. Mm, yes, I need to think how to work. And here we have service. If you remember here, this company have the product and have the service. Some people is have the service or have the products. The register, oh, the register is everyone want to register or can to register. Is customer or company, whatever is want to log in. Okay, here the product and that's it. How is the work? I have here the code. This is the code. I'm not use some framework, but I'm use some fonts. One framework fonts is from Owee. I'm not sure. Owee fonts. That's that's it. I download that. I will. I will. Here. Okay. Yes, here is font. Here font. Uh, how does it work? That is. I download this. Okay, you can. Where is? I click here. Start for free. I come in and download and get download, and I have some uh, like that. This is fun, awesome. If you see, we have CSS and JavaScript and web fonts. That is very important for the web, for internet. That's web fonts, CSS, and JavaScript. But if we need other thing, we can use this another CVGS or Sprite. But I'm copy this in here in the same and create one folder is called font. And we can see the code in here is called the fonts CSS or you see is fonts inside is CSS and web fonts, but CSS and call it all this file. I'm not delete other because I'm not sure how is linking, local linking or internal linking. I'm not sure. But for now, we have our own mm, style for the site. So is 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 very interesting. For example, here you can see the body. I have one color here, a position. That is no work. I think I don't know how it is to work, but for now is in there because you can see the site is not fixed. I need to fix the menu. I will link about that, but for the moment it's work. Yes, I have my navbar is very different. I have my navbar secret, but I'm changed about that. That is I don't need. I will. Yes, I don't need that. Okay. Yes, I don't need to. This is okay. No problem. Yes, name of company. That's the name of company. The title here. In the menu, this is the name of company. The menu. The menu is have we have the item menu is here. Item menu is like that. We have the item menu. We have a link. Link hover is everyone how to change the color. uh, yes, and have a little bit shadow, text shadow here. Here we can see a shadow, not all these lines or in this button you see is shadow. Other that is not work for the moment. I think more later I will put some background, and I will think about that. For the moment, no, that is what I'm create these sizes for in percent. You see sizes to 10%. Yes. How I use that? For example, here I have the header. The header is this. All this picture is the header. I have the figure. Well, here the size is 100. The size is 100. Here is 100%. I have another size is the caption. The caption is that is the caption. I'm not sure it work. We can change to 3. Understand? Yes, it's work. You see, it's work. Okay, that's well. Mm, yes, that is no work. I think. Yes. We change for 50. Wow, here working that. That's great. Okay, that's it. The form. The form I have this. I have the form and create the form. The block all this. Input the flex, the icon in my. This is the icon. I use this icon for font awesome. Other things I have the input the text. Click here we can typing. The border is blue. The border here I have blue. The color is dark. In the focus you focus the input, yes. Well, I think in more later I will check the email or the things too, and the password selector or the other things. I have the figure is in the header, the captain 2 here. Well, I have the button too, and create a button. Yes, and here I have the text shadow. The text shadow, we can check here. Text shadow is in this in Hello World. Hello World use the text shadow. I will change that. Okay, you check that. Okay, we have another shadow because it's use other things too. Operate shadow. Now it's strong. Okay, we have other the red. For now is orange text. We can change for green text. Sure. Okay, it's working. Green text. We can change this for. Okay, we can orange. Orange. Yes, it's changed. Okay, here the link. That's read more, and here is the ad. This is the big ad. Is some title here, and click it for more details. Click it maybe to the company, some website, whatever kind. And here we have the product. Here we have the container and other things. uh, I will share this CSS. I will share in the next. I'm not sure in GitHub or in Owee, in the site the Owee.me. I'm not sure. I will tell you in the next video. Okay. For the moment, that's it. The site. Here we have every product. We can change the product here. I type in dirty. Maybe we can use the 20. Okay. I think here to use the how say the screen. No, is I need to think about that. I don't know how. What's the name? Instagram. Instagram picture. I want to put here Instagram picture here and other close to this side different. I think it's better. I'm not sure. I will think about that, but I hope it's better. So it's in my mind. So for now is here 20 is changed. That's okay. We can change here for example, I'm not sure it's work dark. It's not work dark. Is info. Oh, that is fantastic. For now, no, I need to black. Oh, whoa. Okay, for now I need to the white. Yes, that's okay. Uh, yes, for now this is the design for Tervat. If you like the design, uh, well, I think is star. Uh, Another thing about this is for now it's not responsive. In the next, I think for Friday it's coming to responsive and something too. For example, you see, I will click here. Where are you? Here. Look that. Wow. Okay. This is a site. I need to that. I click here. Interesting. Oh. Okay. Sometimes it's new for me, so I need to make some pop-up or modal without JavaScript along CSS. I need to think about that. I'm not sure how it will work. I will make. Uh, I think for logging, because logging is very interesting because if you want to buy this, you need to login. Mm, that's the problem. I will. I will think about that. Okay, another thing too is I will work with PHP language for now because I will change in the future. I'm not sure for Python or JavaScript for Node.js, but it's in the future. I need to more practice about that. In special for the server, I need to one good server because Amazon, I need to spend a lot of money um, in other things too. Okay. If you like this video, give me a like and comment some opinion about the Tervat. If you see the Tervat now is tervat.com is like that. Okay. You see it's very different for this Tervat. It's different. I have here and this is. If you see here, the code is and use a list here in the menu, but in this part I don't use the list and use the link. Along this link, that's it. I don't use the one list. What's that? Okay. All right. That's it for now. Very soon we start with you with Terbat. Terbat is online now, but is very soon. We work in stamps. Uh, okay. I think in other language. Sorry. Uh, yes. Enjoy your day, and we talk later. That is Owee.